Yo, what's good, everyone? Life is good. Life is good for these chickens because they have an amazing chicken condo. Dun dun dun. Say what Wednesday? Chicken Coop? Okay. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. I am Contractor G. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I built this chicken coop for these chickens that my daughters brought home. They're actually over there swimming. Chickens? What do you do about chickens? We got chickens.
What do you gotta do? You gotta get a house, you gotta have a run, you gotta have water, you gotta have feed, you gotta have automatic chicken coop door, you gotta have...
Man. Whew. A lot of crazy stuff. I'm gonna show you what I did right here. Check it out. Check this bad boy out. Chicken condo. Double pane windows. Okay, that gets held up. Got the nest box down there. Got the door that they get in at. Here's the front of it. Yeah. Got another double pane window right here. Magnetic things there. Hold it on. You got the wire mesh. So I could open the windows. Gets a little hot. Got this area here. Drops down. Easy access to clean it out. We got the poop tray right there. We got the chicken stoop where they come to stoop, and we got the automatic chicken powered door. Okay, so you just set this bad boy right here. Do it all with one hand like a box. And we got the nesting box right here. That opens up nice and simple. That opens and closes. On the back side, we got this double pane window here. This morning, we got a special surprise. For the first time, tan and red. They gave us some eggs. That's what it's all about. Oh, what? There's another egg. Oh, nice. That's crazy. What would you just have that? I mean, it wasn't here like 15 minutes ago. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, Tan. Okay, alright, let me shut this for you. Just take it easy, take it easy. Okay, so that's the little ramp going up so they can walk up that. And it's the egg laying station. You'll also notice that I added this dry run. Put some clear rigid roofing up above. That's how they use the ramp. You'll also notice that I changed this into 2x4s here. That's the old chicken powered door. Pulley system, string, counterweight down at the bottom. They get off of this. It rises up. Door is open. Simple enough. Counterweight down there. Alright, so this was a really fun build. I think everything turned out great. I'm probably gonna add a door over here to the future and enclose them a little more. But right now, I'm just letting them roam free and destroy my yard. It's pretty awesome. Got a lot of grass to fix, but it's okay. I appreciate everybody checking it out. Please smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe so I can do some more things like this. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how I built this whole thing. I made the frame using 2x4s, 4-inch 90-degree brackets in the corners, and 3-inch gold screws to tie it all together. Then I secured 1/2-inch plywood with 1.5-inch gold screws to the exterior walls and floor. I cut out a few sections for the windows and the nest box. Then I installed 2x4s on the inside of each section. I also added 1/2-inch chicken wire around the windows with my staple gun. I used 1x4 on the outside corners and around the windows to encase it all. I built a couple of double pan windows with some glass I found. Here's a closer look at how I encased the openings and how I secured the glass within the frame to create a window. A little latch to lock it. I added a hinge to the cutout to control access. Here's a look at the other window. Notice the chicken wire on there. This window operates a bit different. It opens up versus sideways. Got a magnetic latch there. I also removed that lower section so that the water can flow better. This is gonna be the front door. Here's where the chickens enter and exit. I installed R7.5 1.5 Pink Panther foam to the side walls. I threw a full sheet on the top. I encapsulated around that with 1x3, and then I threw some rigid roofing on top of that. Here's a little closer look at how I encased that 4x8 sheet of Pink Panther foam. And I secured that down with a little 90-degree bracket. So the rooftop is nearly complete. I filled the openings with some exterior caulk. Here's a closer look at how I put it together. You can just see how all those 2x3s are encasing around the Pink Panther foam. I just need to add a little piece there and then this will be done. I filled up those openings with exterior caulk there. And then I screwed it all down with some construction screws and added a dab of silicone over the top of each screw. Where the two panels connected, I added a little rivet. Make sure that stayed secure. I also added some clear silicone between both panels. It runs along the whole piece. And here's another look at how I secured the rooftop, just so you can be sure how I did that. You notice an opening in the back there, it actually lets air in, and then it comes out these side vents here. I installed 1/2-inch plywood on the interior, covering up the insulation. And I made a lower door here by just constructing a rectangular frame and then throwing a piece of 1/2-inch plywood on the inside of that. Then I throw a piece of that Pink Panther foam inside the door. Boom! Front door, check it out. Looking smooth, looking crisp. Yeah, could have made a video on this door alone, but it's just a rectangle within a rectangle within another rectangle. Got some rectangular glass here being held in by some rectangular strips of wood. It's all rectangles here, people. Check it out. It's looking nice though. Got a nice little latch on there so we can lock things up. Nice little handle. A lot of this stuff I just had left over from other jobs. Some crate wood for the front door there, if you recognize it. Got some nice barn hinges. Just a little closer look. I don't know what we're looking at here, but check it out. Okay, I got the lower door here. Got a 1/2-inch piece of plywood on the front with some 1x3 on the outside. Made it look real nice. Added some hinges to the bottom of that. Also had to make this notch here in the side. It's kind of an afterthought, so I can open and close that while that door is at that angle. So that part's looking pretty smooth. Then I added some poly wall with some poly grip. There you go. That's done. Added some staples to the outside. That's looking really crisp. So I filled all the holes, sanded it all down, made everything ready for paint. Got it looking nice. Sanded all the edges. Got a nice radius on there. Basically just getting ready to fill everything with caulk so it can be watertight. Painted. Done. Just got everything apart right now because I'm going to be moving it to its final location. So I'll reattach that once I have it moved. It is fairly heavy. It's looking pretty good though. 3 coats of paint on there. Just gotta move it from here to over here. Past the fence, over the garbage, through the metal, into the final location. Dun dun dun. So yeah, that's my chicken coop. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around I gave you. If you got any questions, or if you need some help or something, just let me know in the comments. Might be able to help you out. Appreciate it, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Please share. Everyone have a blessed day and a blessed life. Peace.